Hey guys, so today the Masters of Nothing are going to make slime, and we're going to show you how to do it with easy steps and simple ingredients. All you need is Elmer's glue, baking soda, saline solution, which is pretty much contact solution, and of course water. So the first thing they're going to do is pour the glue inside your bowl. Pour the glue, every bit of it. There you go. Pour it in. Y'all are making some weird noises. Don't make a mess. Closer. Okay, once it's empty, go fill it with water. About halfway with water. Trace, go fill it with water. It'd be easier if you put water in it and then come back and shake it up.
Okay, let's go.
Ready for the water? Okay, Lizzie?
Got some glue on my face. Shake it.
You gotta shake it up.
After I put the lid on. It's tricky.
Josh, go ahead and go put some water in it, buddy.
I keep on getting glue all over myself.
Shake it up real nice. Real good. Pour it in.
Okay. Got open it and pour it in.
Ooh, look at that. Grab your stir stick and stir it up. Now, unfortunately, we don't have any glitter or food coloring, so everybody's just gonna have white.
I don't know if I put it halfway.
It's fine, just go ahead and shake it up and pour it in. That's fine, shake it up and pour it in.
Now I need baking
Now
soda.
she's ready for some baking soda.
It's okay.
Stir it up.
I'm almost gonna need
Lexi, you got your water in? Yes. Trace, you got your water in? Use your stick and stir it up.
How much do I need to stir it?
Just stir it up, and then we'll put in the...
Stir it.
Just shake, that's good.
And
Good job.
and here it goes.
Well, of course it's sticky. Oh, don't make a mess.
Where do we put the lids?
Shake it up, shake it up. I mean, stir it up. Lexi,
I need
stir it up.
this. Wait, I didn't stir it.
Well, stir it up.
Sorry.
It's all good.
No, my fault.
Stir it, stir it, stir it. Now we're gonna get some saline solution. Put it in, put it
So
in.
it won't be liquidy and sticky. Mom, me. Mama.
Oh, it's starting already.
Mom.
Look at that. You ready for saline?
Oh, look at that.
Stir it up, bud.
I think I need a little bit more until it gets to good.
Stir it up. Oh, look at that. Keep stirring.
Mine's not doing that well.
Nope, it's doing perfect. Here, let's put some of this in. We gotta put some more.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I'm doing it from a distance. There, it's starting. Bring it closer, Jay.
More baking soda, please.
Yes, ma'am. Stir it, stir it. Slow down. That would be the goofy laugh of an 11-year-old. You need some more?
A little bit.
Ew.
It's still a little bit liquidy.
Oh, you're getting there. You're getting there.
Lizzie.
We're almost out of baking soda. Guys, gotta make this work.
I need a little bit more of that
Saline?
liquid.
I told y'all not to make a mess, but I'm doing it.
Yeah, they're good. It's super gooey.
Yeah.
Baking soda there.
Keep stirring.
Mommy,
It's getting there. Yeah, keep
I
stirring.
think I need some more baking soda.
I think you do too.
A little bit more.
Are you getting tired?
No, my hands are getting tired. I need a little bit more. It won't go together.
This is gross. I think maybe you need some more saline.
I need some more baking soda.
I know.
Mom, why don't go together? That means that you need a little bit more of that and this.
Why is it orange?
It's orange. Oh my god. It's because of me.
Marker.
I'm gonna have orange Play-Doh.
Where's Ned?
I need all this.
More water? No, you don't need more water.
Yes, I do.
No, ma'am. You got to stir it really good.
No, Liz, you're only supposed to use the water once.
Use your hands.
Mama. Mama,
No more water, babe.
Well, Mama. After this.
No more water. Crazy. Ew, look at Lexi's. Look how slimy.
It's so cold.
It's so gooey. Ugh.
Why won't it stay together?
It is. Look at it.
A little bit more of that.
Use your hands.
I don't want to.
I don't think you need any more. You got to use your hands to get it all together. Lexi's dipping in traces.
Hang on, I'm helping you.
Quit it. Crazy.
Ew.
Ew. And you guys have just made slime. Lexi's is turning like a brown color.
Because of my fingers.
She had markers on her fingers.
Are getting clean.
Oh, look at yours, Nettie.
That's not
Ew, I think you need some more. It looks like egg whites.
Yeah, I need baking soda.
Bring it closer. Mommy can't reach.
Okay, so I just stir it with my hands.
Stir it up with your hands. That's all the baking soda, you guys.
I think I need more some of the... Mama, can I put this on the ground?
Yeah, that's fine. Ew, look at it. Whose is turning out the best?
Mine.
I think yours is too gooey. You don't need any more.
Mine? Yeah.
What? Ew, that's so gross.
I need some of that liquid.
I think this might be a fail. Oh, Trace's turned out good. Oh.
Mine's a fail. So is mine. So is mine. Look at it. Mine is good. I need some microcoloring. Can I have some microcoloring?
Mark your fingers up with different colors, and then play with your
blue Play-Doh.
mark it up with different colors.
Mine's a fail.
Yours is a little too liquidy, isn't it? They're gonna go mark their fingers up with markers.
Mine's a fail.
And then touch their slime, and it's gonna turn different colors.
Really feel how gluey it is.
Yeah, really do that.
Can y'all feel how
We can see. Maybe go dry your hands and then play with it.
Ready? And it's going to poop.
I'm a crazy person. I'm letting y'all do this.
Yeah.
Most parents would be like, no.
Don't do that.
Trace, did you color your fingers?
Yeah. It's soap.
Look it's turning yellow.
Mine is super gooey. Need one more color.
It sure is, Josh. What are we gonna do? I think.
Ready?
Look.
Okay, I got some colors on me.
Josh, maybe you should take it out of that pan, because look at all the liquid in that pan. So maybe you need to take it out of that pan and set it somewhere else. Dry the pan out and then try it some more.
Wash it out. Open this. Okay, I got this.
Okay, look at her hand. Now she's gonna touch her goo.
Mom, mine's super look at that. That's disgusting.
Ew.
I'm only doing one color. Can you open this?
Don't use your mouth. You've got saline solution.
Can you?
Someone's gonna poop good tonight.
Let me see. Ew.
Can you open these again?
This stuff is so gross. Why did anybody want to do this?
Mama, because I thought that it would be fun.
Almost. Ew, look at that. Okay.
That's what I was doing.
After you have this stuff all over your fingers, you don't want to keep rubbing it in, because then you're going to ruin the markers.
Mama, what do I use for the glue?
To put it on? Put it on a plate or something. Look at that. All the colors.
Hey, slime!
Okay, guys. This is how you make slime. as gross as it is.
But as fun as it could be. It doesn't look like fun, but it is fun.
All right, Masters of Nothing, say goodbye.
Bye. Bye-bye.